If you're not using elements of storytelling to market your real estate services, then you're likely missing out on dozens of listings. By weaving these 3 simple elements of storytelling into your marketing collateral, you're gonna be the real estate agent everyone in town wants to call. First off, it's easy to think you're the hero of the story, but you're not. Agents always market their services by talking about their long history of real estate success. Homeowners don't care about any of that. So invite your potential clients into a story where they're the main characters. Second, empathy starts with clearly understanding someone's pain. Agents can define the problem like this: selling your home should be easy, but all of the red tape and the harsh negotiating will make you say yes to a deal far below listing price. Now, with the conflict introduced, the story is getting much more interesting. Third, market yourself as an agent who will be a guide throughout the home selling journey. You can use simple marketing copy like this: as your real estate agent, I'll walk with you through every step of the selling process and ensure that you close at a price that you'll be excited about. Click the link to learn more.